All right, Sonal, thanks a lot for that. That explains why Phoenix Mills is up almost 3%. But one of the stocks which has fallen about 5% from the highs that we saw on Friday. Dying minutes of trade, we got the news on Nykaa that 5 executives of the company have resigned from their roles. And this morning as well, the stock is down about 2.5%. The resignations include the likes of the Chief Commercial Operations Officer, Manoj Gandhi. We have Gopal Asthana, who's the Chief Business Officer of Fashion Division, having resigned as well. Alongside that, we've seen some resignations in the CEO of wholesale business as well, Vikas Gupta, and 2 VPs of the fashion business have resigned as well. All of this follows the spate of resignations that we saw between August and February this year, where we had the CEO of FSN Brands, Reena Chhabria, resigning in August. We had the CTO, Sanjay Suri, resigning in November, and Arvind Agarwal, who's the CFO of the company, resigning on November 25th. The company, on its part, has said that voluntary and involuntary exits are expected in a company which has a strength of over 3,000 employees, and some of the mid-level exits are a part of the standard annual appraisal and transition process. Jefferies has spoken to the management and they've come up with their takeaways. They said that the company to them has said these departures are very small in the context of the overall company size. Secondly, some departures are based on performance, which is not entirely voluntary. Maybe the company has spared non-performing employees. Thirdly, the Nykaa team, we've been talking about competition, right, has been very sought after by competition. So there would be normal attrition that, these companies will see, and they will replace these guys with a mix of in-house and external talent. What we need to see is the impact of these resignations on their performance, and secondly, the impact of these resignations on their employee cost base. Were that to, reduce, then we can obviously automatically see the margins improve, and if that happens, then the thesis of operational performance improving goes forward. Jefferies has a buy rating on the stock with a target of 200, so maybe their views are also mirroring their opinion.
Okay, all right. Well, let's focus on Dalmia Bharat. Late last evening, they